Okay, guys, I am back. This is the crypto reviewer. Yes, the crypto reviewer. Now, the crypto we will be reviewing today is none other than Kishu Inu. Yes, Kishu Inu. Now, you see that it is up 8% in the green over the last 24 hours. It is an ERC20 token, all right, and it has been audited by CertiK. Now, you're saying why Kishu, right? So instant usage rewards for every active user transaction. A 2% Kishu reward is granted to holders. Decentralized wallets only, fostering a healthy distributed network and community usage. The more Kishu is actively used, the more rewards are granted. Now, this is community powered. Kishu is fully decentralized and owned by its fun, vibrant community. Now, the enthusiasts, volunteers welcome and embrace diverse perspectives to build Kishu into the best community in crypto. It is also secure and safe. The Kishu smart contract has been fully audited by a top specialized team, and its LP liquidity pool tokens have been burnt. Now that means next to zero risk to all of the users in community from potential bad actors. All right. Now, the Passion Venture Capital and investment funds approach to cryptocurrencies and meme coins. Now, Passion Venture Capital, a team with over 20 years of experience in the financial sector. Cumulatively, the Passion Venture Capital are experts in their industry, covering areas of fund management, banking, corporate advisory, and global markets equity research. Now, collectively, the team has managed multi-billion assets and liabilities, credit underwriting, and credit insurance across 18 countries in Asia. All right, now Passion Venture Capital was founded by Mr. Davy J. Go, a true visionary and expert in the financial industry. His more than 3-decade-long experience in the industry emphasizes the importance of having a bigger picture and gathering experience working with both local and international companies. Now, Davey has started his professional journey in Canada, where he graduated with a bachelor's degree in commerce and with a major's degree in accounting at the University of Calgary in 1987. He has worked at countless companies, many of which are among the biggest and most well-known companies in the world, such as UPS, CS First Boston, Citibank NA, ABN, AMRO Bank, and many others for 12 years. And he has worked at the Development Bank of Singapore across corporate and retail banking sectors. Now, while he is proficient in the areas mentioned of his areas of expertise in excelling include formulation of business strategies, product management such as treasury, trade finance, cash management, factoring, hire purchase, corporate lending, and commercial cards. In the last 6 years, Davey has been appointed as a regional CEO for Singapore and Southeast Asia for a Chinese financial conglomerate, both working with fintech companies. Now, Passion Venture Capital's investment strategy and philosophy is based on providing funding to early startups with a promising and bright future, as well as a detailed and thorough expansion plan. Now, for Passion Venture Capital, being early means being on time, which is exactly why they're scouting searches for companies and projects to invest in early in order to fully embark on the journey of growing with the desired company/project. Now, that exact strategy and philosophy are being implemented in their approach to cryptocurrencies as well. Now, keeping an open-minded view on new technologies and investment opportunities and being adaptable is key to succeed in this market. Now, especially when you create a fusion between being flexible and investing according to fundamentals. Now, one aspect of cryptocurrencies that is specifically interesting are meme coins, which have been catching attention the recent years more than ever. Now, many would agree and say that meme coins are the riskiest investment in cryptocurrencies, but statistics say otherwise. The moment Dogecoin was created, Investors liked the fun factor of the project, but more importantly, psychologically, it felt better to get more coins for a lower price. Now, instead of buying a fraction of Bitcoin or Ethereum, which made it more accessible to most investors, that was the beginning of meme coins, especially dog-themed projects, which took over the world by storm in the upcoming years. A couple of projects have followed Doge's footsteps, including Shiba Inu, Kishu Inu, Kishu Inu is going to break out how Shiba Inu did and much more. All right. Now, among the mentioned, one project become the fastest growing project in the world before the market crash in May 2021, which was Kishu Inu. All right, reaching an impressive 2.2 billion market cap in less than 2 weeks. Now, Kishu Inu wrote history and became a worldwide known sensation, labeled the fastest growing meme coin in history right after Shiba had reached its glory. Now, this is the rise of the meme coins, all right? Surging interest tokens such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu created markets worth billions of dollars daily, all right? Now, to this day, many of these projects, including Kishu, are more than relevant and are drawing in more investors and more attention as they keep developing. It is important to note here that thousands of new meme coins arise every day, and not all of them are willing to push as far as the projects mentioned before, all right? Now, a striking amount of scams and rug pulls happen on these projects, activities where the developers pull the rug, a slang used for removing the liquidity of a project, making it unable to conduct any transactions, all right, because of its shifty nature. It is so important to make the distinction between attention-worthy projects, such as the ones mentioned above, and projects that could, potentially make investors lose their money. Now, Davey J. Go says that even though cryptocurrencies are shaping the economy and final sector as we know it, certain regulations are very much needed. Now, more specifically, a regulation which protects investors from rug pulls and people with impure intentions. All right, crypto regulations will come most definitely, and it will be a breaking point for the blockchain space, where it will either stay a completely anonymous yet public system or succumb to the big suits of Wall Street. Now, one thing Davey shares is that institutions may want to consider meme coins because of the social powers and economies of scale. Meme coins have exceptionally strong followings in communities, while simultaneously engaging in extensive marketing endeavors and partnerships that add utilities and value to the project. All right, Passion Venture Capital has always been quick in venturing into new startups, and the analysts have spotted the meme coin trend right at the start of it. They did not wait too long to make the decision to invest in it. And for transparency purposes, they have invested in Kishu Inu at an early stage and added advantage. This is what Davey J. Go has added. All right, taking into consideration the risks and opportunities cryptocurrencies represent, there definitely is a higher degree of research and safety measurements needed when entering such a volatile market. And it is especially important to make the distinction between projects that are worth your time and those that are not. All right, meme coins are interestingly gaining popularity by the day. However, due to the volatility, may not be suitable to risk-averse investors. All right, whichever scenario might occur, Passion Venture Capital will adapt and play the market to their investors and their own advantage. All right, now, Kishu Inu is most definitely a promising coin, a coin that you should most definitely get into. I personally made a nice profit off of Kishu Inu after investing. So this is what happened. This is when the meme coins were popping. I mean, like, come on, right before, the bear market, we entered the bear market. I invested $150 into Dogecoin, made $11,000 off of that. After that, I invested into Shiba Inu $1,000, made 10 grand off of that investment. Went over, took that another $1,000, invested into Kishu, and it made 12 grand. But only thing with Kishu is that I did not pull out, and I wish that I had. When I made the investment into Shiba Inu for $1,000, and I made 10,000. Right after I took out, it went up to 38 grand, and I was kind of hurt about that. So I did keep the investment into Kishu Inu, and it wound up going all the way back down, but not to fret, because you know, I still have those coins, most of them, all right, and I'm waiting for it to go back up, all right, come the next bull run, and it will, okay? I am holding trillions and trillions of coins, okay? Now, in no way, shape, or form my financial advisor, but if you take heed to what the crypto reviewer is actually telling you, to maybe, just maybe, you can come out on top when it comes to the next bull run. All right, you already see that the crypto market is actually bouncing back. Okay, it is bouncing back. All right, like I said before, you will still get little spurts here and there, but not as it will be when the Bitcoin halving arrives. Okay, now we are fast approaching the Bitcoin halving, which will take place in the quarter two of 2024. So this is the time that you should be investing. This is the time that you should be loading up, and just building a portfolio, DCA, dollar cost averaging, into certain coins. Okay, Kishu Inu being one of them. All right, if you go outside here and you ask the average person about cryptocurrency, they cannot relay any information back to you other than that it is a scam, and there are scams out here, but you need to DYOR, do your own due diligence, do your own research, and do your research on these coins before you are investing in them. See how many holders they're having. Look at the white papers. Okay, study the charts. All right, their volume, liquidity, see if they are if they have the liquidity is locked, burned, if they have any burning mechanisms, and just look and see if there are any updates on the coin, their Twitter, make sure they're constant, the devs are doxed, and all things of the sort. Okay, now you can never be too careful. Okay, but when you do ask these random people out on the street about cryptocurrency and they can't relay any information to you that it's a scam, this shows you that you still are an early adopter. Okay, people are still on the fence, but they will be forced into the crypto space whether they like it or not. So this is the time to be low enough. This is the time to be planting the seed so that you can actually reap what you sow, come the next bull run. All right, now this is the time to create generational wealth. All right, there will be a huge wealth transfer. Okay, now it's just like how the dot-com bubble was. You already know. Okay, if you invested in Amazon way back then, okay, you will be very rich right now. So this is the same thing. It's a lot of foot out there. Like I said, it's a lot of orchestrated plays that will get you to shy away from crypto, but you need not fret not, okay? Because crypto is here to stay, my friend. All right, you already see what's happening to XRP, or this whole charade with the SEC and their lawsuits. Okay, this is all orchestrated for you to, become paper hands, sell your coins so that the big boys can come in and buy up your coins at a discounted price. That's just what they do. Okay, there's blood in the streets right now, and that happens with any market. All right. So if you like what you're hearing, I want you to hit this subscribe button. I want you to hit the notification bell, as I like to call it, the motivation bell. All right. I want you to turn that thumbs up blue. I want you to like this video. I want you to share this video, as this video contains valuable information. I want you to hop in the comments section and give me your feedback so that the crypto reviewer can make a special response to you. All right. Now, this is the crypto reviewer, and I will see you on the next video.